Hello guys, if you wanna create your own custom playbook in Madden 27, you can create one from scratch or take an existing playbook and make your own changes. Keep in mind, putting together a full custom playbook can take some time, but you can also use the download center if you want to start with a playbook someone else has already created. To get started, go to Creation Center, then head over to the playbook section, and here you will find the options for creating both an offensive and defensive playbook. You can also see any playbooks you have previously downloaded right here at the bottom. If you don't want to use someone else's setup, you may be able to find an empty playbook in the download center which gives you a clean starting point. Or if you already have a playbook that mostly fits your playstyle, you can open it up, make a few changes, and then save it as your own custom file. Inside the editor, you'll have several different sections to work with. You can adjust your audibles, choose the formations and plays you want, and organize different run and pass concepts. You also have all plays. You can obviously take any of them which you personally want and then set their priority or ratings based on how you want your playbook to work. And then you have the game plan section where you can decide which plays or concepts should be recommended first depending on the situation you are in. Once you have finished making all of your changes, make sure you save the playbook and you will have your own custom setup ready to use. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.